Are you tired of the constant noise about retirement planning and investment options? You're not alone. With all the buzz about stocks, bonds, and real estate, it can be hard to hear the real truth. But today, I'm going to show you something that cuts through all that confusion and provides real, lasting value for your retirement. It's called a Gold IRA. Here's the deal. You've worked hard your entire life to build your savings. Whether it's your IRA, 401k, or just general wealth, you've put in the time and effort. But now, in today's economic climate, your wealth is at risk. Inflation is rising, interest rates are climbing, and financial markets are more unpredictable than ever. These aren't just theories. These are real threats that can erode the value of your hard-earned money. Take a look at the headlines. The Federal Reserve's actions are pushing up inflation, and experts are worried about the future stability of the stock market. The value of the dollar is weakening, and the financial landscape is full of uncertainty. So, what do? Do you keep relying on traditional investment options that are losing their power to protect you? Or do you take a proactive step to secure your wealth for the long haul? That's where gold IRAs come in. Unlike the stock market, gold has stood the test of time. For thousands of years, gold has been a safe haven during times of financial turmoil. And when the dollar weakens, gold strengthens. It's a hedge that can provide peace of mind for retirees like you who need stability in uncertain times. Now you might be wondering, is a gold IRA right for me? The answer is, it could be. But here's the thing. Not everyone needs one. If your savings are under 100K, or you're just starting to plan for retirement, a gold IRA might not be the best move. However, if you've built up a substantial nest egg and are looking for ways to protect it from the current economic instability, a gold IRA could be exactly what you need. And here's the best part. I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation consultation call. This isn't some high-pressure sales pitch. There will be no free silver gimmicks or hidden fees. It's just you, me, and a one-on-one call to explore if a gold IRA makes sense for your situation. You've worked hard to get where you are, and you deserve to know all your options for safeguarding your retirement. In fact, the best thing about this consultation is that you'll learn something that could change the way you think about your savings. I'm going to show you the truth about gold IRAs and how they can help you hedge against inflation and market volatility. If it makes sense for you, we'll move forward. If not, that's perfectly okay too. The choice is yours. This isn't about pushing a product. It's about giving you the information you need to make the right decision for your future. But you have to act now. This is a limited time offer, and I can only take so many calls. So, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and ensuring your retirement is secure, click the link in the description below for your free gold IRA guide and consultation. You've spent your life building your savings. Let's make sure it stays protected for you, your children, and your grandchildren. Don't wait until it's too late. Make the smart move today.